Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. Well, today I want to extend an invitation to all of you. And that's an invitation to the second ICE event this year. Now, if you never attended the online ICE conference, at least it's online so far, but maybe you're going to have physical events as well. Anyway, second one this year is starting on November 14th. And if you are into 3D, if you're into 3D environments, then you don't want to miss it, right? Every time we have amazing speakers from the industry that talk about what they're into, what they're up to, and what they're working on, right? So yeah, if you have the time, check it out. I'll put a link below so you can sign up. It's totally free and it's very exciting. And what's also pretty cool is that they usually have a Discord server running. So whenever a speaker is done, you can have live interaction with that speaker and, talk about anything you want, ask them questions, that kind of thing. For those of you who are not familiar with ICE, ICE is the 3D environment conference, right? Anything related to 3D environments, whether it's in the entertainment industry, whether it's for industrial application, it doesn't matter. And it is very artist centric, right? Now, there is on the website ice.art some information on what it's all about, but if you scroll down, you will see that there is a breakdown of the second ICE conference this year, being the fourth edition, right? It's a 3-day conference, 14, 15, and 16 November, and it's online, and it's from about 5 to about 8:30 p.m., and that's CET, so Central European Time, okay? It's totally free, so you don't have to pay a thing, and you can sign up right here for free. Now, if we look at the agenda, day one, right, we have create 3D rules for Porsche, Terra X, and Passion, and a Q&A by Arne Pollock. And I'm not going to go through the entire agenda, right? But there's a second presentation that needs to be updated. It's not quite there yet. And then the third one is environment work for Netflix. Now, if you've always wondered what it would be like to work for companies like that, check out that presentation. Okay, so second day is about architecture, engineering, and construction. So for those of you out there who are into arts phys, right, that is definitely something you want to look at. And I personally am looking forward to the engineering and construction part. Well, considering that once upon a time I studied mechanical engineering, okay? So yeah, presentations by Kenneth Lindhart, and the ArchViz presentation is done by Marcus Fix, and the outro by Matthias Bühler. Now, Matthias, with his company Urban Group, is responsible for this whole event, and you will definitely see him more if you decide to attend, okay? Now, there will be some live Q&As, as I mentioned, can be found on Discord. Here's a link to their server. And then on day 3, it's business talk, okay? Now, one of the presenters is Adam Goodrich, and I am looking forward to that because I have a business background, as you might know, and this is about procedural 3D worlds, and it's the story and the business vision. So I want to see what that's all about, right? And then finally, recruiting and getting into the 3D industry in the age of artificial intelligence. That is something that I personally get a zillion questions about. What's happening with AI? Will we lose our jobs? Is there still a future for us and whatnot? Okay. So that's going to be moderated by Thomas Gronert. Thomas Gronert is a university professor, and I'll put a name up on the screen. It's his university is in Munich, and so if you want to check that out, you can do that. And then again, the outro is done by Matthias Bühler. And I am very privileged to know Matthias and also to call him a very good friend. So I'm looking forward to that, right? So yeah, there it is. That's all I have to say about it. I really hope you will attend. It is worth your while for sure. And this is becoming a bigger and bigger thing every year, okay? So check it out. Okay, well, like I said, November 14th, so hopefully I'll see you there, right? Bye.